If you own a Kia Optima manufactured between 2004 and 2008, you might have noticed that the air conditioning system doesn't always remember your last setting for internal air circulation. This can be annoying, especially if you prefer the cabin to recirculate air by default when starting the engine, particularly in hot, dusty, or polluted environments. Luckily, there's a hidden sequence that allows you to set the internal, recirculated airflow as the default when the car starts. Here's a step by. First, make sure fan speed level to 0. Press the defroster button. Press the internal/external airflow button 5 times till it blinking and stay solid. Then press again to internal airflow. Off and on again to check whether it stays still. If yes, then you're done.
Sounds correct.